Today we are in the gorgeous village of North Petherton to see this incredible, completely unique 2-bedroom, semi-detached cottage, really. Built in the 1800s. You have a driveway, you've got a beautiful private garden at the rear. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Running out of breath, need you to pull me up. Hell is ready.